Hello, VideoFX here. I came across this video on AE Script's YouTube channel. This script lets you flip a comp's aspect ratio in one click. It's really useful for making videos for social media. Looking at the demo, clicking the button flips the comp dimension from horizontal to vertical, and also reposition the layers to centralize them to the new comp. And clicking on the button again reverts back to the original. Let's try creating a similar script using ChatGPT. I've opened ChatGPT, and I'm on the free plan, using version 3.5. Getting the right prompt is important to get the script heading in the right direction. Make sure to mention keywords like After Effects and script. Also be descriptive in what the script should do. I'm going to write, create an After Effects script with a user interface. This interface has only one button, and when I click on the button, it should swap the dimensions of a selected comp. Click on Generate and wait for the generated result. ChatGPT will come up with a bunch of code and instructions on how to use it. Let's test this out. I'll copy the code first. Then I'll use Visual Studio Code to create the script. Click on Create a new text file and paste the code in. Save it as a JSX file in any folder. Let's go into AE to test it out. I have a testing comp here. There's a text layer and some arrows, as well as a background layer. To run the script, I'm going to go to the File menu and select Scripts and Run Script File. Find the script we just saved and run it. Looks like the script has a user interface with one button as we have instructed. Let's check if it works. I'll click on the button. It looks like the comp dimensions have been swapped, and we have a message box to confirm it too. Let's click it again, and it seems to bring us back to the original setup. That's great for a first try. But we can see that the layers are not repositioned properly after the swap. Let's try to fix that. I'm going back to ChatGPT. This time, I'll tell it to modify the script to make sure that the layers should be centralized after resizing. Let it generate the new script. Copy the code again and paste into Visual Studio Code and save the file. We'll test it out again in After Effects. Run the script again with the Run Script File command. Let's click on the button again and see what it does. Oh, looks like this time the layers are all repositioned to the center of the comp. That's not what we want. I'm going to undo that and go back to ChatGPT to fix it again. Now I'm going to tell it more specifically that I want the layers to be resized proportionally and to maintain their positions in the comp. Generate the new code and update the script. We'll run the script again and test it out. Well, it looks like we finally got what we wanted. Clicking on the button will swap the dimensions of the comp and also resize and reposition the layers proportionally. Let's try moving the text layer and see if the script maintains its relative position. It does so. Let's try it again. And it works too. I'll just reset the text layer back to the center of the comp with my PSR resetter script. I'll now test it out with the arrow layers. They seem to work too. And now we have a usable script to flip the aspect ratio of a comp in one click, and we managed to generate all this in only a couple of minutes without writing a single line of code. If you would like to have this script, just let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more of me using ChatGPT to create After Effects scripts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye for now.